welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing to share with you guys. Pam sent me some Happy Mail. I'm so excited. Pam, thank you so much for sending me a sweet Happy Mail. I always get excited when you send me stuff because it's always good and I just absolutely love it. So thank you so much. Today we are going to be doing this unboxing. She sent me this envelope. And I'm gonna go ahead and just open it very little bit so that I don't break into any of the stickers. And let's hope that everything stays intact. She closed it nice and tight. Just want to make sure I don't cut anything. Because they're really close right there, so there we go. Perfect. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out. I think that's everything that's in the envelope. That envelope is so cute. It says, enjoy because you are amazing. Oh, she's so sweet. Pam, you're amazing too. I love you so much. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It's a Halloween theme. How fun! Oh my goodness. Alright, so we have, it has a little card. It says, you are the best. He says, I hope you enjoy this small Happy Mail and create scary and cool things. LOL. I love you, your sis Pam. Ah, so cute. Alright, so she sent this spooky little house. Oh my goodness, I love that. It is a Halloween haunted house. How cool is that? It's a cardboard, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I love that. And then here we have, I think it's like a little bat or a bird. Black, what do you call those? Crows? Oh, there we have that. Here we have another one. And then we have some black sequins. Look at how cute that is. And then we have some fun stickers. So here we have, oh, these are actually die cuts. Look at how cool these are. I love these. Oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, this pumpkin one with the tray, that is so pretty. Look at how cute that is. Flower. Did I show you guys? Okay, there we go. That's another flower. Then that one has like the little display with the window. The house. The tree with the pumpkins. That's so cute. Here we have another house. And then here we have like, these look like Halloween books. So cute. Some washi tape. Some Halloween themed washi tape. I love that. Broom parking only. That's so cute. And then here we have this little like note card with the little banner. Super adorable. Little like washi type of strips. The pumpkin. It's gorgeous. The jar. Here we have this. Can be used as a backing. We have the lights. And then we have the tags. The witch hat. The lollipops and the candy corn. Now I want some candy corn. So cute. We have another set. Here's another one of that. And then over here we have a little like checklist. Look at the witch's boots with a hanging spider. Then we have this one with the Halloween. That's so cute. And then here we have this spooky. Have like little quarter boxes and the boo and the trick or treat. This one's cute with the, I love this print. I forgot what you call that print, but so pretty. It has the little kitten. Another one of these set of books. Another one of that broom parking only. Alright, so then next we have this one. This is beautiful. I love the color. It has like the little witch and the kids trick-or-treating and this little like person sitting there. Super cute. And then here we have this one as well with the witch's broom, some washi strips, another one of that. Here we have another one of that. And then we have some sticky notes. Oh, these are so cute. I love these. Look at how cute those are. And then this one's like a die cut. I love this house. And then the cat. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. I love this. And then over here we have some paper with the spider web at the bottom. And then this one with the black flowers and the bats. Super cute. I love it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's everything that Pam sent me. Pam, thank you so much. I can't wait to try to get creative with this stuff. Hopefully I can come up with something to do. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give Pam a big shout out in the comments down below. Let her know how awesome she is. I love you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.